Hey, what's up guys? It's Austin with Ledworthy. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a gear holder that doesn't require any tools other than a screwdriver or drill and a stud finder. Let's get after it. For this build, everything will be threaded at the 1/2 inch. So you'll need one floor flange, 2 T's, one 1-inch closed nipple. You'll need 4 6-inch closed nipples, and optionally you can have 3 caps to close off the ends. I'll post a picture of everything laid out to make it more clear. First things first, you gotta find the location you wanna set your gear stand in. I'm gonna do mine somewhere in here. Next, you're gonna need the stud finder. Because this is gonna be load bearing, holding gear, you want it in your studs. If you put it in the drywall, there's a high possibility it'll just rip out the wall. Now that that's done, I'm gonna assemble it in front of me and screw it to the wall. I just find it easier that way. So I'm gonna take a 6-inch nipple and one of my T's. I'm gonna assemble it. I got the dexterity for it. Nice and tight. And the holes are gonna be facing north and south on the first T. With the first part being done, this is where that 1-inch nipple comes in. It goes to the bottom of the first T. And you connect the second T to it. These holes on the second T will be going east and west or left and right, however you want to fix that. So it should look something like this. So with the main chassis being complete, you attach the neck and the arms now. So I take another 6-inch nipple, attach it nice and tight. Take the other 6-inch nipple, attach it nice and tight. And then the final 6-inch nipple. I screw it in right here. Everything's nice and tight. And it should look as such. With it being completed, like I said, the optional steps are to put these little caps on the end so nothing can A, slip off, and B, I just think it makes it look a little more, not professional, just better overall. Everything has a start and a finish. And voila, a gear stand that will last. It is officially assembled. Let's put some gear on it. It can easily hold a plate carrier, a helmet, and my battle belt. And that's a wrap. But remember, just because I did like this doesn't mean you have to. You can have longer or shorter arms. You can have it closer to the wall or farther away. You don't have to have the headpiece. You could even turn the headpiece, take off the cap, put on another T, and then a nipple, and it's a sideways H for more hanging space. Anything you want to do is optional because it takes zero skill. It's literally just screwing things together. It's not woodworking. It doesn't require a bunch of fancy tools. It's a screwdriver and a stud finder. As of filming this video, with everything you see on it, including the caps, is $33.09. Without the caps, it's $28.17. And this is galvanized iron. It's going to last a very, very long time.